Okay, so for this week, if you are absent, you can either join in through Zoom, or what I would like you to do is go through and complete the following. Well, these documents come from your book that we're reading in class and going through. I want you to complete them, read the articles, and answer the questions that go with it. And you can do that on Notability on your iPad and submit them on Canvas. There will be an assignment open for that. The other thing that I would like you to do is on your iPad, I want you to use the Imagine Learning app, and I want you to spend 20 minutes on it, if possible. Just set a timer and go through. That will help you prepare for the WIDA test coming up. So please do those things. If you have more questions, please let me know and reach out to me. Thank you, guys.